am Partho. In this video, I'll show you how I write a very information-rich, high-quality article in just 3 minutes. Of course, with the help of AI. Not believing? Okay, just give me 2 minutes. 1 minute, I'm showing you. Just 1 minute enough. Say, this is a YouTube video. Oh yeah, I mentioned this software generates article from a YouTube video, not any just normal keywords. This is how I have developed it. Okay, I am demonstrating you. This is a YouTube video. I copy the URL and paste here. Okay, write article. It takes almost 30 seconds, and now you see the output. I will show the article and explain each part, each section of the article. Then you will see how much informative a good article, totally SEO focused article. Also I will analyze the SEO parameters. Then you will justify yourself how much good quality article it is. Okay, you see, yeah. Okay, the article is ready. Now see the quality of the article. The video was about what happens to your body and brain if you don't get sleep or enough sleep. It has generated a title, article body, and some keywords for SEO. When you will publish in blog or in your website, you must need keywords. Also, you will need meta description. It has also generated SEO friendly meta description. Well, let's delve into deep. This is the article. This is the markdown, and this is how it renders the output. You see, discovering the vital role of sleep in our lives. See, it has split it into lot of sections that has enhanced readability, point by point, section by section. It has used bullet points and also text emojis for enhanced user experience. You see, each point is very much informative. It's not a cliche type article, you see. You justify. It's not a cliche type article. It's a high quality article. And also it can add external link for SEO purpose. You know, Google prefers including some internal and external links. So this searches Google based on the topic and collects some articles, analyze them, and adds to your article. It has added 3 similar articles as external links, and all of them are top quality domain. Okay, top quality domain, having a good domain authority. Well, we will explain those later. And this article is a long article, more than 2000 words, 2400 words. This article contains 2400 words and is so much information rich. If you are good at search engine optimization, you will understand this kind of article is very SEO friendly. I will explain it later. Just see how much information it contains. A lot of information. So you see, in less than 1 minute, we have generated a good quality article, very much informative, total SEO friendly. Now I will show you how much quality and SEO score it contains. See, now I will publish it to my blog. Okay, post, add new post. Okay, so I copy the title, paste, then I'll copy the entire article. Okay, now paste here. You see the SEO score. I am using Yoast SEO plugin. Readability is already green without doing anything, and all those criteria are showing as green. And now I will copy the primary keyword here. Importance of sleep or sleep deprivation, whatever. Focus preferred. Okay. Understanding the importance of sleep. Copy. Well, you can tweak the description a little bit as per your requirements, but let's go to the SEO analysis. Without doing anything, you are getting 7 criteria green, and that is done by my software. This basic on-page SEO is performed by my software, and some more criteria needs to be tweaked, like you will have to add an internal link, featured image, something like that, and you see the readability score is very good. So how much time did it take? Just half minute. Thank you. Oh yeah, you can suggest what kind of features can I add to make it more uh, useful and attractive. Of course, when it completes, I will give the link here, and I will be making more videos on this topic. I request you to subscribe so that in future you can get more updates about writing SEO article, especially with the help of AI, and in a very short time, like you can write 2 long articles in 1 minute. It takes almost half minute. So in 1 minute, you can publish 2 long articles. Yeah, you will just copy a YouTube link, paste here, write articles.